They are in awe of you. They are starstruck. I feel like this individual thinks about you a lot. They want to reach out to you, they want to communicate with you, but I feel for some of you, this person chooses to keep their thoughts to themselves. For some of you, this is an individual that wants to collaborate on some sort of project, some sort of business opportunity. For others of you, this person is watching you from afar, but they don't reach out to you due to maybe fear of being rejected, even though I'm picking up an energy of a person that is very confident. But when it comes to you, they feel insignificant, is what I'm picking up. They could feel insecure as well, because when they think of you and them together or collaborating with you, working with you, being in a relationship with you, they just think that you wouldn't suit, you wouldn't match. There's something that is telling them not to connect with you, not to reach out. They feel like you are their wish fulfillment, however. They feel like, I don't know if this person believes in manifestations, but you tick all the boxes in regards to this individual. For some reason, this person feels like it's inappropriate to be with someone like you, to connect with someone like you, due to circumstances. It's almost as if they put a lot of blockages in their way. If you're with this individual, this person may self-sabotage. I feel like you have been this person's crush for a very, very, very long time. Will this person admit this to you? No, but I feel like this person is trying to downplay the connection. I feel like this person always wanted to collaborate with you, but they downplayed it. It's almost as if they felt like, oh, it would never happen. Why would they want to collaborate with someone like me? And why wouldn't you not? I feel like this person is equally as amazing as you are. I feel like this person has star quality themselves. I feel like this person has people that, obsess over them, that vie for their attention. I feel like this person definitely has that thing. Side note, channel song, Lauryn Hill, that thing, right? But I feel like this person has got the X factor. They definitely have star quality themselves, but this person feels like being connected to you would downplay who they are. I feel like this person needs to look within and see the beauty that resides within themselves, because the same reason why they are drawn to you, they find you attractive, is the same reason why other people are drawn to them and find them attractive as well. They feel as if you are their match. But there's something about this person that makes them shy. You make this person shy. You make this person giddy. You may find that this person can't look at you in the eye. You may find that this individual does not want to be alone with you. You may find that even if you see this person, they are always with other people. This individual may act differently towards other people than the way that they act with you. This individual may always want to be around other people if it means connecting with you. This other person, I feel, may just make you question why they're acting so funny. But I feel as if deep down this person actually wants to collaborate with you. They want to go into partnership with you. They want to date you. They want to become more than friends, is what I'm hearing for some of you. But they put up a lot of boundaries. And the reason why they do this is because they don't want to get hurt. And deep down, they feel like, why would someone like you would want to be with someone like me? And I'm hearing for some of you, why wouldn't I want to be with someone like you? Because I feel like this person is actually a beautiful soul. And this individual is trying to move away from this thought or these thoughts and these feelings that they have for you. This person's focused on their career. I feel like this person feels like they think about you a little bit too much. They're getting obsessed with you, and they feel like it's a little bit unhealthy. So this person may try and detach away from you. For others of you, I feel like it could go the opposite end, whereby this person may try and isolate you from other people. Some of you are married to this individual. For others of you, I feel like this individual could be married themselves, but they feel very drawn to you. Your energy entices them, and this person wants you all for themselves. This person, yeah, they could be in a relationship with you right now, or they fear being in a relationship with you because they feel like they will just get lost in you. And they feel like to be in a relationship with someone like you, they will have to give you 100%. And right now they feel like they may not be willing to be able to offer you 100%, and they see you as somebody that you should settle down with. And that's one of the reasons why they're trying to wean themselves off of liking you, of thinking about you, but they are just in awe of you. They see you like you are a celebrity. It's like, wow. But they try and downplay this, because they don't want to come across as a fan. And secretly, Spirit is saying they are a fan. They are. But this person may act very detached and distant and independent from this actual connection. For others of you, I feel like this person may be this way inclined in regards to other people. This person's acting like some bodyguard for some of you, right? And I feel as if this person may not like it when you talk to other people. They may intervene in these conversations. They may try and take you away. They may try and do things to make sure that they have time with you only, which is a little bit selfish. I don't really like that energy. I feel as if this individual, they felt very alone before you came into their world. They may have gone through something very turbulent, but I feel as if this individual could fear that losing you would make them feel alone again. And this person often stays up at night fretting about you leaving their life. I feel like for some of you, you came into this person's life to teach them about loving themselves, about embracing themselves, about expressing themselves authentically. Because the same reason why they're drawn to you, should make them see that they have the same traits within themselves. But the difference is you express your traits overtly, whereas this person could repress the traits that they admire within you. Yeah, you're definitely a star to this individual. This person sees you as the brightest star. You definitely stand out from the rest. You definitely got that glow. You sparkle, you shine, and you just radiate a lot of positivity, high vibrations, and this person cannot get enough of your energy. I'm hearing for some of you, they would, man, this person's obsessed with you for some of you, but they're choosing to keep themselves stuck because they don't want to scare you, and the thing is, how they feel about you is actually scaring them because they've never felt this way before. For some of you, this person may have made you feel as if they don't appreciate you. They may have tried to humble you, or it may have come across like they were trying to humble you. But I feel as if this person doesn't want to embarrass themselves. They don't want you to think that they're weird, even though they're not. But they just don't want to make a fool of themselves, because then they feel that you will think that they're just behaving very strangely. But this person definitely admires your capabilities. They see how people are drawn to you. They see how people, and that's the thing, because they see how others react towards you, they don't want to come across as the same. And they are intimidated by your success, but they may try and downplay how they feel about you by leaving you out in the cold, unfortunately. But you ignite a lot of passion and excitement in this individual, and they think you're different from the rest, and no matter how hard they try, they can't avoid their feelings. They're in awe of you.